Boys, welcome back to another lesson. Today we are going to be talking about the other important future in English, right? In the last video, I taught everything you should know about the future with will, and today we're going to be focused in another one, which is named the one for be going to, right? I know this structure can be very familiar for you all, but anyway, let's begin with it. So be going to, right? So it is named be going to because that is exactly the structure you will be using. The verb to be, right? What is the verb to be? Yes, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Classic, right? You know those things, okay? So I am going to be means yo estaré or yo voy a estar, right? So in general terms, you will be using it plus another verb when you want to talk about your future. But in this case, when you talk about your plans for the future, right? So this time it's about the things you have in your mind already creative, right? Will, recuerda, era para cosas de las que no estabas seguras, right? Decisiones que tomabas en el momento, predicciones sin ningún tipo de convicción o sin ningún tipo de evidencia. Big one two is absolutely the opposite, right? Because in this case, we have the intentions, we are sure about the things that we want to do, okay? So let's check this out. When do we use it? You tell me, please. All right, follow the lecture. It says, subject, verb to be, going to, and then the verb. It means I am going to go to the beach. I am going to travel to Miami next year. We are going to stay in the best hotel in town. That is our plan, right? Ese es nuestro plan. Now, we use it to talk about things we have planned, thought, or decided. At least we have the intention to make them happen, okay? We want them to be true. Ejemplo, si yo te pregunto, wow, ¿cómo te imaginas tu vida en 5 años? You know you have plans, right? You say, oh, I am going to buy a new apartment. I am going to live in another city. I am going to be the best father I can be. I am going to be really happy. I am going to have a lot of money and I am going to help people I love and I care about, okay? So, and then you can also use it to talk about predictions, but logic predictions, ¿ok? Predicciones lógicas, estas son cosas o análisis de situaciones a futuro de las cuales tenemos algún tipo de evidencia, ¿ok? So, for example, you can say, oh, tomorrow I am flying or I am going to fly to Cartagena, okay? So what is my evidence? My evidence is that I have a ticket, right? I have already bought it. That is my plan, right? So predictions. Hago una predicción lógica. Si tú ves que de pronto hay un carro que se va acercando a muy alta velocidad, va gritando, ah, no tengo frenos, y tiene cerca un edificio, ¿qué es lo más probable que pase? So, okay, the car is gonna crash or the car is going to hit the building, right? Now, vas caminando, ves nubes negras, right? So yeah, you see black clouds. What is the most obvious thing to happen? Your prediction will be, oh, it is going to rain, okay? It is going to rain because the evidence is the clouds, okay? Imagine you are driving your car and you listen in the radio. Oh, I don't know. Junior is losing the match against Nacional and there are 5 minutes missing, okay? 5 minutes, 2-0. You can think, oh, damn, Junior is going to lose the match, okay? Because in the radio they say it is 2-0 and it is still 5 minutes, right? So posibilidades de que un equipo remonte en 5 minutos. Que no sea el Real Madrid, muy pocas, right? Nah, I'm just kidding, right? Just kidding. So, keep it in mind, right? Para hablar de predicciones lógicas. En este caso, no hablarías de cosas que van a ocurrir en 50 años a menos que tengas evidencia. No dirás, oh, los carros volarán, the cars will fly, porque sabes que si no tienes evidencia no vas a utilizar Big One 2. Ahora, si tú has hablado con my cousin Elon Musk y Elon te ha dicho, hey, tengo este mecanismo a través de este modelo, etc., los carros van a volar en 50 años, then you can say, okay, I have seen it, I have evidence, so I am sure the cars are going to fly in 50 years, right? Notice the big difference between will and be going to. Keep it in mind, that's very important. Now, you know people love like the way native speakers speak, right? So you can use this informal way. This is shorter. This is for speaking, right? So you can say, oh, I am gonna buy a house. En lugar de decir I am going to buy, puedes decir I'm gonna buy. That is the contraction, the informal contraction. Oh, she's gonna make a cake. She's gonna travel to Miami tomorrow, right? We're gonna be happy. We're gonna buy a new television, right? We are gonna, we are gonna, we are gonna, we are gonna, they are gonna, you are gonna, I am gonna, okay? Verbo to be, más gonna, plus the verb in plus the verb in infinitive, right? I'm gonna make, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna teach, I'm gonna understand, I am gonna, okay? Keep it in mind, that's very useful, very informal, by the way. Now, examples, of course, let's go for the examples we have. This is plans, right? Nuestros planes. ¿Qué planes tienes? Well, I am going to clean my bedroom. Ya lo decidí, right? She's going to participate in the contest and she's going to win. They are going to apply for Harvard University. We are not, this is the negative, going to the party next week. Lo decidimos. We have no money, so we are not going there. He is not going to play with us anymore. He is not going to play with us, right? He is not gonna, or he is not going to. My mother is going to sell her cell phone. She needs a new one. She wants a new one. My mother is going to sell her cell phone, right? Lo venderá. She decided. I am not going to buy a car this year. Next year, I am going to buy a Lamborghini. My students are going to have a test next week, okay? Ese es mi plan. Próxima semana, examen. So, como ya lo decidí, my students are going to have a test, okay? A quiz. Now, are you going to rent an apartment? Preguntas. Are you going to go to Miami? Are you going to sell your cell phone? Are you going to buy a new apartment? Estas son las preguntas. And then WH questions. What are you going to do in vacations? What are you going to do in December? Where are you going to study in the future? Where are you going to live? Where are you going to, I don't know, establish your life, okay? Where are you going? This is the structure. It's very simple. And now let's talk about context. I want you guys to think, this is speaking time, pause the video and try to do it, right? Pausa el video, intenta contestar esta pregunta con esta estructura simple. I am going to, or I think it is going to, right? Easy. So what are you going to do in your first post-COVID-19 vacations? So cuando todo esto termine y tengas el espacio, la disponibilidad y la disposición principalmente de ir a Cartagena, a San Andrés, a Madrid, a Barcelona. So, or just anywhere in the world. What are you gonna do? Think about it, right? Yeah, maybe you have no plans. De momento, de pronto no tienes un plan, but you can invent it so that you can practice and so on, right? So what are you gonna do in your first post-COVID vacations? Examples. Oh, after COVID-19, I am going to visit Europe. I am crazy to discover the Rome architecture. I am going to visit the Rome Colosseum. I am going to visit the Caesar Palace. I am going to visit the New York Yankees stadiums. I am going to visit Santiago Bernabeu. I am going. Try to think about those 3 places that you are going to visit. Be positive, you can do it. And now, let's see. This is an activity for reading, all right? I'm going to give you an example. So here it is, right? Imagine that you're gonna write an email to a good friend of you, right? So basically, you're going to create a postcard to your family or friends. This is for practice, okay? Example, here we have Tracy that says, oh, hi Tracy, we are just arrived in Florida. I am going to unpack my bags after I write this postcard. It is raining now, but I think it's going to clear up soon. We are going to the beach when the sun comes out, right? That is our plan. When the sun comes out, right? Cuando sea que el sol salga, en ese momento we are going to go. Si no, no vamos. Ese es el plan, right? I am going to bring an umbrella. Of course, I need to protect myself. We are going to order a pizza tonight. Hablas con seguridad porque son planes que tienes. Your dad doesn't feel very like going out for dinner tonight because we are going to be eating out a lot of this week, sorry. I am going to miss you. Estoy seguro de ello, so I am going. No digo I will porque quedaría en el aire. Ok, te voy a extrañar, creo, right? Creo. All right, so be careful with the use of this one, right? Now is your turn. Think about your next vacations, as I told you. As a challenge of the day, como challenge del día, quiero que respondas esta pregunta y esto es algo serio, right? Now this is serious. This is about your future. So I want you guys to tell me about your life after school. Now you're studying, right? You are preparing yourself to be a professional, to be a technologist, to be a technique. I want you guys to be the best version of yourself. So based on that, I want you today to analyze your life, internalize and think about those things that you want to do whenever you finish at ICSA, your university or your professional career. So what are you going to do after ICSA? What's next? What are your short and long-term goals? What are your plans? What are your projects? What are your intentions? What are those things you are gonna do? Think about it, my friend. Think about it. What are you gonna be doing or what are you going to do in 5 years? How do you visualize yourself in 5 years? Where? With whom? Are you gonna be a father? Are you gonna be a mother? Are you going to have babies? Oh my gosh, that's pretty awesome. Are you gonna be happy? Are you gonna live in Colombia? Are you gonna be a pro? Are you gonna have your own enterprise? What are those things you're gonna be doing in 5 years? Please tell me about it. Please record yourself, right? Record the voicemails of yourself talking about this. Then we can share with it, right? Do it. Tell me about your future. Tell me about your life after beautiful ICSA institution. See you on next time, guys. I hope you have learned a bunch with this video. Kind of short, but it sums up in a really good way everything that you need to know. Remember, I am going to, right? When you talk about your plans, your decisions, and things that you already have in your mind. And remember the big difference between predictions. The cars will fly. You have no idea. You're just thinking, giving your opinion. The cars are going to fly. It means you have some information about it. You have evidence. And for some reason, you are sure that that is going to happen. Okay? Big difference. Keep it in mind, guys. See you next time. Have a lovely day. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Take care. See you next time.